Hey guys, my name is Marcel Ernie, Superbike Wanderer, full timers in our 2006 Northern Night on my 2009 Duramax Chevrolet 3500 Dually. Today is some RV maintenance. I just picked up an anode rod, and what is it going to do? Even for an aluminum Atwood tank, hot water heater, you still want something to pick up the corrosion besides whatever attaches to the Atwood heater. So it's an aluminum tank, and you definitely got to do this if you're not running aluminum tanks, but it's just a nice practice even with the aluminum tank. So I got my Seattle tool, and water's going to come out quick because there's water in the hot water tank, and gotta love Seattle tools for sure. Out of Canada, guys. We're Canadian. So I'm going to show you what the rod looks like right now. Look at that. See how it's been corroded?
Wait, the zoom is out.
I'm gonna put the new one in there. Anyways, before and after. Let's get this in there. So we wanted to corrode the rod, and of course I put some Teflon tape on it. And the Teflon tape should start not immediately. Hopefully it's the right threads, this one. Oh boy. We're losing water. I could double check the threading, but definitely by eye it looks correct, so I just got to get it to start by hand. There we go. Get my Seattle tool.
It looks like almost like the stick for food for birds.
So,
you know?
Yeah, so it's been corroding. That's been in there for...
Why the zoom is like...
2 years?
Yeah.
2 years. Really tough to go in there. I want to double check I'm not doing anything stupid and cross-threading, but it could just be because of the corrosion on the end. You want to be able to, of course, feel the threads. Look at this guy's doing a tour. Yeah, no, it was threading in good. It's just once it hits the... You obviously do not want to cross thread and wreck your stuff. No, it's going in. See, I've done a couple turns. It's just tight in there. It's just tightening up.
It might have some residue. Do you not think we should have cleaned that plunger? Because like what is on this might be in the...
It's the same thing.
I know, but it might be...
Look at that.
I know.
It's like under
crazy.
the sea, huh?
I know.
Anyways, it doesn't want to go in all the way. But that's why I'm just going to loosen the threads back and forth. I mean, it's blocking the water. It's doing its job. You know, but...
Don't you think that you should check if it needs a cleaning inside?
Well, that's a whole other job, Marianne, not for today.
Well, you should have think about that.
You need to be able to...
everything at the same time.
Well,
because maybe that's the reason why it doesn't go.
Some people get like a periscope or something, like a camera you can see in there, but it's
No, but if you have like a brush
on the threads, you mean?
Like a little brush, circular, like to wash pipe.
The threads are just kind of corroded. I don't want to lose all my water, but
I understand. So try to put it back.
I am by no means an RV technician, but I'm also better than a lot of RV technicians out there who don't give a damn. From our experience, you got to stay on top of these RV places, because they'll make you, they don't give a shit about you. They just will do the shittiest job they can. They'll hide it from their boss. The boss will hide it from you when they wreck something. Like our skylight, we had a new skylight installed, and the guy cracked it, the hinge, and then
it was brand new.
Tried to use some epoxy to hide it, and he's like, don't open it for a couple days, let everything dry. And you know, he was just hiding his mistake. His boss freaking gives us a horrible answer on the phone when I tell him what happened. He blames it on me. And what was that place? That was in
Summerland RV.
Summerland RV. Never go to Summerland RV
in BC, British Columbia, Canada.
Yeah, so anyways, that's blocking it right there.
Well,
we'll have to go in there and clean it another day when we have excess water. to lose all that water.
You sure it's not gonna leak?
No, it's not gonna come out.
Okay.
Anyways, guys, that's Marcel Ernie, camping, nomad, full-timer. Some tips and tricks along the way.
Yeah, we should definitely keep that and take a picture.
Atwood. This is my Atwood mobile products.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.